Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Pam and I'm going to be doing my nails today. Obviously you'll see that these nails are different because this video was filmed a couple weeks ago, but they came out so cute, and I'm going to be doing another video where I'm doing regular nail polish cured with gel nail polish under a UV light. I've made a couple nail videos and people always tell me that it just does not work for them. So in this video, I'm gonna try to emphasize what you have to do to make this work, because I can't do my nails any other way. They last so much longer and they're so much more shiny. I'm gonna attempt to do some nail surgery and glue my nail back together with a tea bag. Usually when my nails break, it's a sign that it's time for me to start over. They're getting brittle from all the gel that I've been using. I need to take a break. It's time to cut my nails. But when this happened, I was like, no, I'm not ready to let go of my nails. They're so cute. They're in such a cute shape. They're long enough. So I was like, I'm gonna glue it back. Now, I'm a visual learner and I can learn just by copying what someone else is doing. So just in case you need step-by-step instructions, I'm gonna link down the video below that I saw, because the girl does go step-by-step and gives different tips. It's a really short video, but she does really well at explaining how you can use the tea bag and the glue to fix your nail. Okay, so this is probably the star of the show. It's the flowers that I'm gonna be putting on my nails. I got this packet from Amazon. This is my second time repurchasing. I really love them. They're basically like stickers. So you dip them in water for 5 to 10 seconds and then they peel off of the sheet and then you can put that on your nail. I use a tweezer. I'm not going to show you how I do that in this video because I've made 2 videos before doing that. I'm going to link them down below, and I'm also going to put timestamps of where you can go in that video to see how I peel these off and put them on my nail. But today we're doing green, and I like to do monochromatic looks, so I'm gonna get as many green leaves and flowers as I can. I think I put some purple in there for an accent color, but we want most of the stickers to be green so that they can complement the nail polish. And speaking of nail polish, I'm using this beautiful green color. It's Jefa from Lights Lacquer. I was gonna say by KL Polish, but that is Kathleen Light's old nail polish brand. She now has Lights Lacquer. These dry so quickly, and honestly, I don't even really care about the color of a nail polish if it doesn't dry fast enough. I usually just use nail polishes that dry fast because who wants to wait all that time literally watching paint dry? So we're just creating dots on my nails because I'm gonna fill up the rest of the nail with the flowers, and later on we're gonna be using gold leaf. So I really just want to put some color on there, and then we're gonna fill it up with the flowers. So I am showing you a little clip of how I do it here. You're just putting them into a little bit of water, peeling them off and sticking them on. And look how pretty that looks. It's so cute. This is the finished look of my entire hand being done. This is the gold leaf that I'm gonna be using, and again, just like I did with the flowers, I usually cut up my gold leaf before I even start painting my nails, just so that I have it ready. And it's very tedious. Cutting up the flowers, separating the gold leaf, you gotta have patience. So I'm taking my clear nail polish and I'm just dabbing it on the areas where I'm gonna put the gold leaf, and just putting that on with a tweezer and then pressing it into my nail once I have it in the area that I like. Okay, so we're at the part where we are now putting the gel on our nails. This method is not going to work if your nail polish is not 100% dry. It's a crucial step. I know people have been complaining under my video that like this doesn't work, this is clickbait, but honestly, not every nail polish is gonna perform the same. So yeah, it's not gonna work all the time. Like when I did these nails, I only did the color. I didn't put anything on the base, and these, I think I've had these for like a week now, and they look like they're going to be going on another week. Just do keep in mind that this is not going to work for every nail polish. I have mishaps too along the way where like my manicure just goes all the way wrong because the nail polish wasn't good enough. Maybe you're going too fast and you think that your nail polish is dry, but it's not 100% dry, and then you try to put it under the UV light with the gel nail polish and it just doesn't work out. So do keep in mind that like this is kind of a specific way that I'm doing my nails, and it's not going to work for everyone, but it's also a really great hack. I mean, if a regular bottle of nail polish is like $5 and then you invest in your own gel top coat and a UV light, like you've got yourself a gel manicure that costs what? Gel manicures are super expensive these days. So you want your first layer to be thin, super thin. If it's too thick, it's gonna sink down into your nail and the gel is gonna cure in here, which you don't want. My UV machine is so small that I have to pick it up and put it on top of my nail in order to get all 5 fingers. But it definitely works. It was like $8 on Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. I also really love this top coat that I'm using because after you're done, you just need to wash your hands. You don't need to put any alcohol on your nails in order to get the shine. Thank you so much for watching. If you got this far in the video, I hope you try it out. I really want this method to work for everyone. You know, not all of us can afford to go and get our nails done for like 60 bucks every 2 weeks. It's too much. Try and do this method. I highly recommend. Also, don't do it too many times a month because UV light is like not good for your hands. But I'm rambling. Thank you so much for watching. I know I said that already. Comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.